forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am using resin from ArtPro. I am going to try the same technique that I did in another video, but this time with a different brand of resin. So instead of the Platinum 360, I'm using ArtPro. Same colors. I made my white already off camera. The technique is from Resin Courses. We're going to go ahead and get started. It's really simple. You're going to put your dark color on the outside. Okay. Pour a little bit of that clear. Okay. Now we're going to take that pink color I have. And now we are going to do the white. Okay, that is all we are doing. I have a little bit, no I don't think I can even get this. I'm going to not use anything in the middle this time. This is just going to be a quick video. I'm curious to know the results between the two different resin brands. Their velocities is a tad bit different between the two. So the ArtPro is definitely a lot more of a thinner type of resin. And the Platinum 360 is just a tad bit thicker. So the Platinum 360 is a 2-to-1. ArtPro is a 3-to-1. So, or yeah, I'm sorry, no, 3-to-2. So that tells you the difference between the two. So we are going to start, once that completely closed, we will use our torch and then we'll put it on a time lapse and then I'll be back to demold. We are back. So this is the one I did with the ArtPro resin. This is the one I did with the Platinum 360 Plus. So let's first reveal the Platinum 360 Plus and see how well this came out, and then we are going to demold this one. So are we ready? So there's the back, and voila, it's insanely beautiful. Look at those pink petals. Let's see if I can bring it up close. It's like, it's incredible. I mean, look at that. It's really, really pretty. So you could definitely do this technique with the 360 Plus. So now let's demold and see the difference with the ArtPro. You ready? Okay, let's get out of the thing. Okay, so here's the back. As you can tell already, the back, there's a big difference already. Okay. Wow. Very different. Okay, so not sure what that is. I have to say, definitely prefer the 360 over to ArtPro. And it could be the mold too that I use because you can't really see some of the edges. So I will definitely have to try this one again with the ArtPro, but that 360 really brings out the petals so much more. So which one do you think? 360 Plus or the ArtPro. I am a fan of this one. Do not like this one at all. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit like. Make sure you comment. Let me know which one you like. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, and I'm going to try this again. And I'm going to try different colors. I might even try incorporating some black. We'll see. It's getting close to Halloween time. So, yeah. So I think 360s for the win. But you let me know. Not too crazy about this one. So, okay. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.